As there is a growing awareness about environment, sustainability is no longer a choice. Rather, it has become a huge responsibility. As one of the leading manufacturers and exporters of denim apparel, Rhysley is proud to lead the way in eco-friendly denim washing techniques that drastically reduce our environmental footprint. There are several denim washing techniques. However, one of the most innovative washing method that we have adopted is ozone washing. This eco-friendly process eliminates the need for harmful chemicals such as bleach and chlorine and reduces the number of rinsing cycles. Let's talk about how it works. Actually, in this process, oxygen is converted into ozone gas, which is then introduced to the denim. The ozone reacts with the fabric and naturally lightens the color, ultimately creating that perfect worn-in look. And all this magic happens without the use of any toxic chemicals. Did you know that traditional washing techniques consume thousands of liters of water for just one batch of jeans? Whereas with ozone washing, we reduce water consumption by up to 80%. This cutting-edge technique is not just eco-friendly, but is also maintain the integrity of the denim. Ozone washing lends the jeans a lighter vintage look. The process enhances the jeans color and generally makes the fabric softer and more comfortable. Ozone washing method is not just good for the denim jeans, it is equally good for the planet. By reducing our energy and water consumption and chemical uses, we contribute to a cleaner environment. At Rhysley, we are dedicated to making sustainable choices at every step of the manufacturing process. And ozone washing is just one of the many ways through which we are revolutionizing denim production, that too without compromising on quality or style. Choose Rhysley for jeans that are good for you and the planet. Reach out today for bulk denim orders and experience the difference.